Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody guys. In the second video, let's take a look as usual on the gold market. You can see gold market shows very nice performance. We have talked about it in the weekend analysis. So you can see Friday action was really straight up forward on the Powell comments that have been treated as a bit dovish statement from the Fed. So now market, yes, the market has hit the overbought on the daily chart and now stands a bit flat, so it's taking some pause in upward direction. But still, this strong straight forward is very good for our medium-term scenario, because if you remember, we have talked about it in analysis of the weekly chart. So we're expecting approximately the reaching of the 1238 area at least. This is a trade retracement of the whole downward action, and it could become a really good opportunity to go short, because it could provide us Jude Napoli bring by the sell directional trade. So that's what we are watching for. Meantime, on the intraday charts, market still hasn't reached some significant resistance, and it seems that after some minor retracement, the upward action could continue. Because currently, guys, today, as you can see, market is not overbought. So our overbought stands approximately 1217.65. So it agrees with this first level. Also, market stands slightly below the major resistance 1217. So that's why here it's approximately, in general, some minor free space exists till the major resistance. On the follow time frame chart, we are mostly focused on this ABCD pattern, because if you remember, we have talked about it, our initial ABCD pattern has been completed. So first we were looking for this one, A, B, C pattern. This was the OP target here, say B equals CD, XOP 1618, ABCD has been here. So it has been completed. After minor pause here, market shows up prediction yesterday. This guys also is a COP of the larger ABCD, so minor 618 extension target. So, but here guys, it's an important thing that right this target into the minor ABCD XOP target will have the acceleration. It means that the this market accelerates to some important target. It means that it really has a good chance to proceed higher. So OP target here stands at 1224. We have talked about it in our weekly report. That's the destination point that we'll be watching for as a potential target on this week. Meantime, if you'll take a look at the hourly chart, we here have some kind of the contracted ABCD. So not from this point, but from that one where the real upward action has started. It's also important ABCD pattern. Here how it looks like. So that is ABCD pattern. And market, take a look, mostly has hit this OP, so it completes AB equals CD action. This acceleration, as you can see, this is faster than CD leg. It should happen here, but it has happened here. It means that market probably will proceed higher to the XOP target, but in a few hours, when the today's session, some reaction on the reaching of this OP target, this completion of this ABCD could follow. And one of the possible patterns that could be formed, you can see kind of the hand shoulders, as could lead to kind of the maybe ABCD pattern could be formed, some minor retracement. And you can see it will lead us somewhere to the 12 even. So market could retest here as broken top with this minor ABCD. That's also could give us the guarded triple to buy pattern. And after that, this minor retracement will be completed. Market could continue higher, because again, major target on the follow time frame chart, COP already has been passed, but OP has not been reached yet. And currently, it's 1211. Market actually has no significant barriers. So because 1217 stands higher, overbought area stands also higher. So let's check where the pivots, where weekly pivot stands. Pivot's approximately 1215, pivot resistance one. So pivot point stands this week 11.99. It's also, by the way, guys, the pivot point coincide with the possible retracement target. It's right here. So market could retrace right back to the pivot point. So that's the price action that we'll be watching for in today's session.